Hello everyone. Fine. Hope this in COVID situation everyone is safe at their home. Okay. This is just a formal greeting. That's all I'm doing it. Nothing to worry. Okay, fine. The topic over here is that the thing I was gonna say about is that from today onwards I have started to write a Python book. Basically, will contain of what all the questions will be there, and have targeted it within 2 days. I'm gonna complete it. Hope it get completed. Okay. With the God bless. Anyhow, what we're gonna talk about is today is that indentation. What I was going through, I was making a book, as you know already. So I was making questions over there. Now what happened the moment in this video we're gonna see that how to do the indentation paragraph with the number book. Okay, what I want to show is that if suppose 9 I have written over there, 9 number has came over there. For example, or you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the moment 9 came, it is all good. I have a number over there, dot mark is there, and again a space, little space is there, and again what is starting over there, no issue. Now the issue comes when the moment I press it enter over here, okay, enter, suddenly what happened, a 10 is over there and one tab space is there. So if suppose I am writing this is question 10, okay, it's looking awkward, isn't it? It should be somehow similar to be this, like 10 should be there, dot should be there, and a little space should be there, and 10 should be like T should be just beside of this dot, isn't it? Now this gonna not is going to work. So what you gonna do to solve this only? This tutorial is regarding to solve this only. Just you gonna select this one, right click it, go to the paragraph one, okay, and here a moment in the left indentation, in place of 0.25, just make it 0.1. Once again I am repeating, go to the right side, go to select this particular bulletin, right click it, okay, select the paragraph, this box will be pop up, okay, and in place of 0.25, basically by default there will be 0.25, that you gonna change into 0.1, okay, that you gonna change into 0.1, and then you wanna make it what, okay. Now what you can see is that 10, 9 and 10 somehow in the similar path, as well as this T also came in the correct position. Okay, good. So what I was just finding out, I couldn't get it out. I find it out this my own. Okay, so I made it. Even though in YouTube also you won't be finding out this solution. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you guys. Bye.